Hi, welcome to Triple C Trailer Sales in Watervliet, Michigan. Today we have a 2025 4-star 2+1. This trailer is fully loaded. It's 8 foot tall, has a 23.5 foot box. The dressing room has a fold-up step at the door, rubber on the floor, 3 saddle racks on a removable post. The dressing room and horse area have a fully insulated roof. There are 4 roof vents and also 3 fans. This has heavy duty bars on the windows. There is a fold-up step on the other side of this door. This has WERM floor. That stands for We Eliminate Rubber Mats. It's a permanent poured floor. Here we have the Quiet Ride stud doors. You can fully go back and forth either way. Drop-down doors with drop-down bars at each horse's head. This is the Quiet Ride rolling divider. Okay, and then these are the heavy-duty bars. The rear ramp and side ramp both have easy lift. This trailer also has a hydraulic jack, stainless steel on the nose, and it is priced at $61,900. If you have any questions, please call us at 269-463-6121. Thank you.